Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by assembling tools and initiating basic digital signal processing. First, install Python 3, 10 and pip. This gives you package control. Once done, plug in a good microphone and set sample rate to 44, 100 Hz or 48, 000 Hz so you capture full voice bandwidth. Make sure to install NumPy, SciPy, Librosa, and SoundFile. These let you load, analyze, and write audio. Then record a dry test clip, because clean input is the single most important factor for reliable transformations. You now design and implement the core effects. Start with pitch shifting. Use phase vocoder or resampling with formant correction so timbre remains natural. Once pitch is stable, run FFT-based EQ to carve out unwanted frequencies and add a low pass near 10 kHz if harshness appears. Next, apply modulation, chorus or flanger for character, then time stretch algorithms if you need timing changes. Make sure to process in blocks with overlap add to avoid clicks, and test each module independently for predictable results. You finish by integrating real-time input-output and validating performance. Implement a buffer loop with Sound Device or Pi Audio, set buffer size to balance latency and stability, and use a separate thread for processing. Once integrated, run end-to-end tests. Listen for artifacts, check CPU and memory, and measure round-trip latency. If things go wrong, isolate and bypass the suspected module to confirm the source. Finally, log parameters. Save presets and document the signal chain so you can reproduce successful settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.